Good morning and welcome to the law office of Kyle Watkins. What are your rights when pulled over by the police? Number one, the right to remain free from unreasonable searches. So if an officer asks, "Can I search your car?" you say no. You need not consent and you should not consent to a search. Do not give in to the concern that saying no makes you look guilty. The fact that you said no cannot be used as evidence against you in court. So number one, if you are asked, "Can I search your car?" remember, just say no. Next, the right to remain silent. Typically, before an officer asks to search your car, he starts with a scripted conversation. It goes something like this: "Do you have anything illegal in this car?" And when the person says, "No, sir," it's then the officer responds, "So then, you don't mind if I take a look, right?" The officer's pre-planned transition into, "So then, you don't mind if I take a look, right?" that comes after the person has started talking. Don't start talking. For heaven's sake, don't answer a bunch of questions. Okay, let's think this through. Let's prepare you for this. We'll run through the typical questions in the typical order. Do you know why I pulled you over? Can I see your license and insurance? Where are you coming from? Where are you going? Do you have anything illegal? So then, you don't mind if I take a look, right? Now, when, in that sequence, was the time to tell the officer that you do not want to make a statement or answer questions? Right away. In response to the very first question, tell him then, "Do you know why I pulled you over? Sir, being pulled over has me nervous. I don't want to say something wrong. I prefer it if I don't have to make any statements or answer any questions." From then on, you're a parrot, a polite parrot. "Sir, I don't want to say anything wrong. I prefer not to make any statements or answer any questions." Every question, that is your response. You do need to know in Texas, you are required by law to tell the officer your name and date of birth. So if asked, tell him your date of birth and your name. If you don't, you could be arrested. So tell him who you are. And if asked to consent to a search, say no, but leave it at that. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps push this information out to more people that may benefit from it. And if you are interested in keeping current on criminal law and procedure issues, please hit the subscribe button and get notified when new content is released. See you next time.